What could have caused this for me, man? Today of all the days them. So, let me tell you what, boy. I live on it, girl, the Zine. And I talk to this cat for months now. And today she finally decides that she come link me in my yard. Today I Saturday, September 7, 2019. And on Saturday, September 7, 2019, I take a shit. No water no there. Hello? You outside? Alright, man, forward. Welcome to my station. I mean, at my home. Welcome to my home.
Can you use the bathroom?
The bathroom?
Yeah, really need to use the bathroom.
Me can't use the bathroom?
Really mean if you use the bathroom.
You, number one or number two?
Seriously? You don't let me use the bathroom?
I go check see everything alright.
Epic!
Yeah, man, me a forward.
Ramon!
Yeah, me a forward. I forgot use man and take it out. I forgot do something nasty when me no want do. I forgot dip me hand in there.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows production.
Radekal ambition.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.